Hello everyone, it's summer, it's super hot, and it's time to make a delicious, refreshing watermelon ice cream. So this ice cream, it's super easy, it has very few ingredients, and it's pretty quick. So let's start. I have some leftover watermelon, which is very surprising because we usually don't have anything left over in our house. But yeah, here we go. Let's cut it up into pieces and blend it up. You can add some sweetener like honey or sugar if your watermelon is not sweet enough. You will need 2 party cups, or if you have anything else you use for making ice cream or ice lollies. So you put it in, and it's best thing to do right now is to put it in the freezer, which I didn't do, which was a big mistake. Alright, next ingredient is a kiwi. And again, just get rid of the peel and you're gonna blend it up. Alright, next ingredient is a coconut cream. So my coconut cream been in the fridge, so all the creamy part it's on the top right now. But it was in the fridge very long and it's very difficult to get it out. Alright, I'm gonna add some sugar and a little bit of vanilla, so it's more fun. Alright, let's mix it up and, well, maybe use the proper tool for mixing. Yep, there it is, much better. Alright, so let's start the layering. So we have our red layer, which I didn't put in a freezer, which was the big mistake because it started kind of a blending. So I decided to put it in a freezer after that. So later on, and I'm gonna add the kiwi, it won't go down. Alright, so I'm gonna add our kiwi. Gonna find a stick or wooden spoon. You're gonna put it in and put it in a freezer. And there you go. Beautiful, colorful, refreshing, delicious watermelon ice lollies. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.